This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sunroof, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a bed liner, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and fog lamps. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Palmetto Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1625 Savannah Highway in Charleston.